Well, maybe you remember the old Dan Aykroyd comedy sketch about the Super Bass-O-Matic 76.
Good sketch it was. Well, at the Marine Mammal Care Center, having a nifty kitchen tool for all your fish blending needs is no joke. CBS 2's Dave Malkoff shows us why employees call it the worst job I ever loved.
The seals and sea lions are constantly trying to escape the Marine Mammal Care Center.
We just came to watch the seals.
But do you really think they know why they're here in the first place?
No, not really.
This cute little baby harbor seal just arrived. They're all here because they either got sick at sea,
Everything from tapeworm to hookworms.
can't eat on their own, or got a little too close to humans.
So we also see some boat strikes, even some gunshot and knife wounds.
The fish kind of look alive.
This is one big stinky sushi bar.
Really? I don't smell them.
Some animals can swallow a fish whole, others are too sick, so they get the gruel.
It's sort of like a fish milkshake or a fish slurry.
We'll have to get out another thing of fish.
Meet Sherri Ruffer, barista to the sea lions.
You know, you go to the smoothie place and they ask you, would you like a free boost with that? That's what you're putting in here, right?
Yeah, these are the multivitamins.
There's no strawberry banana mix here, it's all herring flavor.
Oh yeah, fish heads, roly-poly fish heads.
Everything goes. Fish lips, fish eyes, fish backbone, gills, and liver. Your smoothie's almost ready, sir.
You said that you've accidentally tried it before?
Well, sometimes that has happened to everybody here.
Yeah, sometimes when it splashes near your mouth, you get a quick protein boost. I don't think this part of the job's in the brochure.
Some of the people are not too interested in the fish part.
The Bass-O-Matic 76?
Yeah, they're not too interested in that part.
Oh, yum. Oh, God.
Oh, okay.
You'd make that sound too if you had a tube inserted directly into your stomach. But simply put, if they don't drink the gruel, they'll die.
They haven't really been potty trained, have they?
Yeah, there's that too.
The back of my car smells kind of funny.
The patients would love to escape their hospital,
I'm putting them on the lift and getting them out. Alrighty.
yet escape was the whole plan
So the Ellie's coming in on the scale.
from the beginning.
115.82 pigs.
That's just over 255 pounds. And they sing the most lovely songs, don't they?
So cute. Little baby.
Today, they return to the ocean,
I'm hot.
to the cooling waters just down the road. Inside the box, this guy has no idea what's going on.
We try not to get too attached to them, so we don't have that problem, and so they don't have that problem either, because if you get attached to them, there's a pretty good chance they're going to get attached to you, because they're just so cute and they're running all around between your legs and everything.
Here with the bugs and rotting kelp is where they're better off.
2, 3.
Living the life aquatic,
Oh!
having brushed fins with humans possibly for the last time.
Okay, let's go back and get the big guy.
The elephant seal becomes today's.
Last one.
There's just 30 feet of beach sand to go before losing himself under the salty Pacific.
Hopefully they'll have a good life out there.
Sometimes they take a little coaxing to get out to the ocean. This guy doesn't really want to go, but eventually he made it out there. You know, no matter how stinky and nasty this job can be, they always need volunteers. You can be a part of this. Just go to our website, cbs2.com/Dave. On Cabrillo Beach, I'm Dave Malkoff, CBS 2 News.
They do great work, don't they?
Yeah, sometimes we're not so sure why they love these jobs, but I think tonight for sure we do know.
Yeah, absolutely. Doing
That's
good work. I wonder if any of them
fantastic.
has ever left work, gone to McDonald's and ordered a filet-o-fish.
I don't think so.
Right off the bat. I don't think so.
Friday and every other day of the week is off.
Yeah, Johnny Mountain's enjoying a night off. Josh Rubenstein is here. Josh.
Clearly that last one was afraid of Dave Malkoff, I
Yeah,
think is the reason.
exactly.
He's like, what are you doing? Stay away from me.